Hey guys, it's Chris from Cook Woods. Today we're going to take these Fijian monkey pod logs, which honestly don't look like much. They're silver on the outside. They're pretty rough from logging chokers and stuff from Fiji. And they don't look like they're going to amount to anything. But stick around as we take you from this to this. So stick around. Hey guys, this is Chris at Cook Woods. We're going to cut up some Fijian monkey pod. It's buried in the log deck over there. And we'll jump on the log loader and pull it out. And we'll throw it on Slabzilla and see what we've got. Lift this out of here. This is a piece of redwood and there's some lace burl on it. It's really pretty cool looking. All right, let's set that down without damaging the redwood. That looks good. So these are Fijian monkey pod, and they don't look like much probably at this stage. They look pretty old and weathered, got some cracks in them. But I see something really special in here that's going to look really nice. You can see there's lighter streaks and then darker streaks and lighter again. What that is it's interlocked grain. So you might think that a tree is going to grow straight up in the trunk, but the grain, instead of going straight up, it's interlocked. So if you were cutting firewood, this is your demise because it does not want to split. But the beauty of it is when you slice it, when you put it on the mill, you're going to have parts that look dark and parts that look light because of that interlocked grain. And when you turn it around, what was light is now dark. And that's what this interlocked grain will do. So this is going to be really nice. We'll get the loader and put it on Slabzilla. So this is a big enough log, we don't need to have a lot of clamps on it. I've just got one clamp here. Honestly, it weighs enough, we probably wouldn't even have to clamp it. But it's a good safety measure, keep things from rolling around. And that's about the way I want to cut this one. So this section here with the crotch, where it's going to get really wide, that's going to give us some pretty nice boards from one side to the other. We're going to take our loss or the taper off of the first few cuts, and those are probably the ones that we'll cut bull blanks out of and things like that. So the best slab material is going to be from about right here to about right here, despite that this log is going on 3 feet. So we're only going to get about that much with the best slabs. So, and the rest of it we'll cut into some other interesting things. So let's fire up Slabzilla. The monkey pod cuts really well. We made the first pass. Let's see what it looks like. That is beautiful. So here's this interlocked grain. It's like feathers, feather going this way, feather going that way. And it's interlocked like that, and that's what it looks like. These are the best slabs. You got 1, 2, 3, and 4. They're 3 inches, 3 1/8 right now, or 80 millimeter because it's metric. And then the top, that's going to be a nice slab, but it's got a little bit of a live edge here. And then the top ones are going to be other stuff. I'm going to try to get one more down here, and it may only end up being like a coffee table size because it's not going to be full length. The other side is a lot skinnier. But that's pretty common, and that's what we were hoping for, that we'd get about a foot of good material out of that, and it's right here. And I can see crotch figure right here through that area, so it's going to be really pretty. They say we've had a major malfunction. Something got eaten there. All right, let's get the wedges out. Not sure what happened yet. I think just the weight of the log sitting on it. So we'll get some wedges and some hammers and we'll get it out here. So I was cutting through and we got to the end of it. The weight of the log basically sat on the tail end of the blade and stopped the blade. So all I'm gonna do is put some wedges in, lift that log up, back the blade out a little bit, start it again, and then try it again, and it should work. I'm going to try to bump it. We're just going to lift it through here. Think we're gonna make it. Oh, we did it. Yay. We'll get the forklift over here and flip through these and see how nice they look. But so far, these are looking really good. I'd say this is probably what makes Monkey Pod famous, or the famous attribute that it has. It just gets these really neat chocolatey brown and black swirls, crotchwood mixed in. Really pretty. So here's the ribbon figure. You can see it really well without the water on it. It's just like that. You can see the shadow from my fingers on the top. That's these shadows right here. And then the light color on the top here, that's right here. So it's just interlocked grain, just like that. Not bad. Not bad at all. So we just finished milling, and we've got some gorgeous slabs, and you never know that it would come from those ugly silver checked up logs from Fiji, but here they are. Crotchwood. Here's that interlocked ribbon figure. They've all got that, and they've got these really nice black lines that just flow through them. Really nice crotch figure on that one. This one's got a little bit of a void in the middle. It's got bark in it, or it's just clear. And those will look really good for like the epoxy resin tables. That'll look nice. A little bit more on that one, but just a spectacular piece. Look at all the colors. And this guy, same deal, nice solid slab, beautiful live edge. I just love the contrast between the black and the creamy yellowish white sapwood. Just stunning. Hey guys, if you liked the video today, hit the like button at the bottom and please subscribe. Stick around, we've got some more great videos coming your way. And if you'd like to get some amazing wood for your projects, please visit cookwoods.com